Hello, back again. This is going to be a tutorial on how to play I Wish I Had a Nickel by Hank Williams Sr. The chords to this song are going to be a G, a C, an A7, and a D7. It's going to start out, I'm just going to do the first verse. They tell me, little darling, that tomorrow you'll be wed. You thought that you would hurt me, but you hurt yourself instead. I'll always be the same old pal as the years go by. I'll just sit back and watch you while you sit alone and cry. Now let's do the chorus. Tears falling down your pretty cheek, tears you cannot hide, and tears you cannot keep. They are tears of sorrow and tears of delight. I wish I had a nickel for every tear you shed last night. Keep going. Let's go to verse 3. I just stopped by to tell you that I wish you happiness. I hope that you'll forgive me for intruding like this. I hope, my dear, your happiness will follow through the years. I'll just sit back and watch you while you shed those bitter tears. And then you repeat the chorus. And yeah, that's the song. A really good song, country staple, classic. The chord progression is very nice, actually, very unique in a way. I've seen a few songs do it this way, but this one's the first that I've heard. The chord progression just kind of stuck with me. So thank you guys for watching.